Hi, this is Simon from Umso, and today I'm going to show you our new user management feature. With this feature you can give access to a single site for a client or a partner or a translator, for example, and this guest only has access to this site. To do so, you have to click the Access Info button, which is showing up on all resources. And after that, you can give access with an email address to this resource. Let's add this client email and have a look at the client dashboard. The client needs to have a Umso account and can have look at your site and as a guest in your organization. So this is the client organization. This is your organization with the access for the guest. And as you can see, the client cannot create new resources, but he can edit this site. So we can change this text just like the regular editor works. Let's go back to the owner's dashboard, which is right here. And to structure all your resources, we added projects. You can find them in your settings under projects. We have 2 projects right now. And when you go inside a project, you can add project permissions, which are pretty much a bundle of permissions for all resources inside this project. So for example, when I go here and add the same client here, this client now has access to all these resources and can also create new resources inside of this project. Let's look at the client's dashboard. As you can see, the client is now able to create new sites, for example, and also edit the other resources inside of this project, just like this blog or this email list or this form, these files. Another thing we added to manage the permissions are groups. Here you can see the groups. Right now we have 0. Let's make one. Groups are there to structure your clients or guests in general. So let's say you have multiple guests, and now you can give this whole group access to a resource. So let's say we want to give this group access to this new form. Then we can choose group, select our clients and give access. And now all these clients have access to this form I just added. Here you can see this form. And the last thing I want to show you is how you can remove your guests from your organization. So as you can see, we have these 2 guests. And when I click this delete button, this guest will lose all access he has to our organization and won't be able to edit or change anything. So now this client is removed from your organization and you're pretty much done with the whole life cycle of a client.